Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of November 11th, 2014. We are going to look at a couple charts from the Trade Navigator software. First thing will be a weekly bond market chart, and we'll probably be a little quick this week because we were overloaded with data last week, and this week is kind of thin on it, not to mention we're sort of chopped in the middle by the Veterans Day celebration. So trading's a little thin, a little quiet. The bond market rallied, well, not strongly really, other than they closed near the high last week, and then kind of surprisingly turned right straight back down this week. We're looking at well, let's call it 140.20. It's sort of a wide area there, but around 140.20. We're looking at that as potentially being enough to hold them in here and send them up closer to 142.20 up here to the upper moving average. But the early weakness is a little disconcerting, and if they do take this out, they could be down to the mid-Keltner channel there, which isn't very far above 138. So that sort of coincides with this previous swing high that they broke out from. So we could see them break down, but they really could turn back up here, and I kind of thought they were. The early trading this week has kind of surprised me a little. Stocks, there's not much to say about stocks. They're kind of disgusting, to be honest with you. This upper moving average is the support in an extremely strong market, and you can see they never came close to it last week, and they haven't been anywhere near it this week. They're just going up for no particular reason. So it reminds me of my teenage high school days. The target up here is around 2041, but I don't put a lot of stock in that, even though it's right near the upper Keltner. It's not like it's tough resistance. You would expect a move of this ridiculous momentum to have to slow down and back off at some point, but I also think it's absolutely foolish to try and jump in front of it because it's not going to stop until it does. So not looking for a top necessarily, just disappointed that they're not giving us any opportunity to buy because they're not dropping down to anything that makes any sense. This support this week, by the way, is around 2003, and you can see they're just nowhere near that. And of course now if they do, now I'm not sure it'd look so good. We might see a bigger break off after this incredible move up here in just a short period of time. So not much we can do this week, I'm afraid. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.